Hey, what's going on YouTube? So I want to show you all something. And I also want to talk about Fable 5. But before I get to that, I want to show you all just a lot of things that I've been working on and that I can actually really cook with AI. And if you actually learn how to use it, it's crazy the things that you can actually create with it. So the first thing that I want to show you all is this is Onyx. Okay. Now I know you all may have been seeing all over social media this whole Jarvis thing where people clap and then it wakes up and starts talking. I don't have Jarvis. I have Onyx. Okay. Onyx does everything. Now she's asleep right now. As you can see, this is how she sleeps. But Onyx stands for Operational Neural Yield Executive. So essentially, Onyx does everything for me. Now, I spoke in previous videos where I talked about how I wake up and everything is done. The thumbnails, the titles to the videos, the descriptions, everything. Like she has her own iMessage. I can text message her when I'm not at home. She does things for me. This includes, again, researching content, keeping track of finances. And again, this is a local model. This isn't something that's like attached to the internet. It's only on my computer. She can, research. She can read charts, like my charts as far as my trading, right? So she can look at this chart and read it and say, hey, here's a good trade setup right here. She can go through TradingView, go through Bitcoin, go through any cryptocurrency, find trading setups while I'm doing something else. Shoot me a text message like, hey, you need to look at this. In my real estate business, if a client sends me a text message into my CRM and says, hey, I want to see this property, she'll text me and say, hey, so-and-so wants to see this property. I said, all right, set it up. She'll go into the MLS and book the actual showing of the property and then let me know or send me a text message and say it's booked and put it on my calendar. Okay, so she can do anything. Now, I'll just give you all like just so you can kind of see how it works. But Onyx.
Hey, handsome. What a perfect day to boss up. Let's get this money.
So essentially, that's what she does, right? So then she just sits here and just blinks and just waits on me to give her some sort of instruction on what I need her to do, right? And normally I just say, hey, Onyx, give me the rundown for today, what we got going on. And then she'll tell me, hey, you need to put this video out, you need to do this and do that. And again, like it's more than just her. It's a full dashboard, right? With just, different things. But it didn't end off this way, right? Once Fable came out, and again, this is how powerful Fable is. Once Fable came out, I was able to like just get so much done. If I would say the 2 days that Fable was out, I didn't go to sleep. None of my homies went to sleep. We like just straight up was just cooking. And that is some of the most powerful software I have ever used as far as artificial intelligence. Now, Fable mixed with Codex. Oh man, I was able to figure out so many things in just those 2 days. And I say that the average person is cooked. 98% of people are cooked, not cooked from the perspective of you're going to lose your job, but cooked from the perspective of you're missing one of the biggest wealth opportunities in like human history with this shit. And I think that there's a larger reason why they took Fable down. Just in the financial markets, like with, in my Discord, my crypto, trading group or whatever, we do very well. I have a decent strategy. I've helped other people with it. But even with that, right, like 80%, my win rate is 80%. My win rate is 80%. And all of this stuff is tracked through AI, right? But once Fable got involved, it got ugly. It got ugly. That thing is different. That Fabos and that Mythos family, that thing is different. I've never seen anything like that. For the people that got access to it and you were able to get stuff done, kudos to you. But I don't give a fuck if they bring that shit back and it's $10,000 a month. I'm paying for it. That's how powerful it is. If it's $20,000 a month, I'm paying for it. That's how powerful it was. So people are like really distracted with what's going on in the world and completely missed just those 2 days. I like me and some of the homies were talking like, bro, we should just disappear. Just disappear. Like, fuck this shit. Just disappear off the grid, off the radar. Like, that's how powerful it was. And I think that the majority of people missed it. And, you know, it may come back. And I honestly think if it does come back, they're going to like dumb it down, you know, do something to it to make it not as good as it was. But just those 2 days, I was able to get through 80% of what I needed to. I wish I could have got through 100%, but if you missed it, you missed it. And if you don't have a grasp on this artificial intelligence, you need to get a grasp on it. And if you notice, I've never made a video about Opus 4.8 ever. But that one, Fable, was different. I've never seen anything like that. That was some of the most powerful software. I was even cooking something up. When spam callers call me, my phone would call them back and play porn in their ear. Literally. Like, I was making some of the most crazy things. And I don't know. It's just kind of hard to like wrap my mind around how powerful that thing was. Now, I'm glad I got through 80%. Some of the stuff that I came up with, like, we are going to get this money. We are really going to get this money. Serious money. But again, I think that's just one of those things right now. The people that are learning this are going to be the 1% in the future, right? We saw Elon Musk became the first trillionaire. With software like that, you're going to have multiple trillionaires for sure. For sure. That thing is a monster. It is a complete monster, especially if you already have some sort of framework or bones to work with. It can complete it. If you haven't actually started learning how to use artificial intelligence, you most definitely should start learning. So that way, if that Fable comes back out, and whether you get like a limited time to use it or whether it's super expensive, if you have the bones, right? If you've already built something that already has a skeleton, you can use it just to fill in the spots and make it better. Okay. Because it was that good. And I'm not hyping it. It was really that good. So with that being said, make sure you all check out my community link in the description. Join the wait list because, you know, just showing how to build stuff like this, right? A lot of people think that I'm just on YouTube, just talking about AI. I actually know how to use this stuff. Okay, I didn't go and download Jarvis to build this. I built this from scratch because I know how to use it. I know how to use Codex. I know how to use Claude. I know how to use all of them. So I can see something. I can see something on the internet. I can see a program and I can make it and make it better. Okay, because I built a skill set. I've been using this thing. Claude. I've only been using Codex for a couple months, but I've been using Claude for a while. ChatGPT for a while. So once you learn how to use it, the sky's the limit. You know, you can make money pretty much on demand from anywhere in the world at any time. Literally. But I just wanted to just show you all this, that I really can cook when it comes to this AI stuff. I'm not just on this YouTube shit, just putting out videos, just talking about AI. I actually really know how to use it. And I promise you, you're not going to see anybody else. Maybe after my video, somebody may come and copy what I've created. But everybody else is showing you a generic Jarvis, something that is very generic. It's just a skeleton, it's bones. It's just a cycling video that just talks. What I've created is totally different. Somewhat. It's similar, but it's different. Mine does a lot more. It doesn't just track social media. It doesn't just track stats. It tracks income, money going out. It can have conversations about anything. It's kind of creepy because the reason why I set it up to click to talk is because it just listens. You know, if you fart around this thing, it's going to say excuse me. right? I'm talking to some of the homies, and it just jumped in the conversation, start talking and just talking with us and laughing and shit. Okay, so it gets deep. Okay, so again, this thing does everything for all of my businesses. It can go into my Discord and interact with people. It checks my emails, unsubscribes to spam, responds to people. Okay, but anyway, I just wanted to just show you all that. Thanks for watching.